Hello again, what about you? It's Philip here from My Apple in Carrickfergus. What we have in today is this iPhone 7 that has a very common problem. It needs an audio IC replacement. So let's get on and get that changed. Okay, that's the motherboard back into the iPhone. Now we're going to give it a quick test. So we're going to switch it on. And we're going to go to the voice memo app. Now remember, if the recording doesn't work on the voicemail or voice memo app, then there's a problem with the audio IC, usually. So voice memo, use passcode. Okay, so the moment of truth. Testing, 1, 2. There we go. That's the microphone function returned to this iPhone 7 Plus. Remember, if you've liked this video, please do subscribe and like, or visit us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/myapplephil. Thanks for watching and see you next time.